The newly designed Detroit DD15 engine is engineered for enhanced performance and efficiency. Our updated piston design reduces friction for improved fuel economy. The next-generation ACRS fuel system provides higher injector pressure and optimized combustion control. The new fuel filter module simplifies serviceability. A variable speed water pump reduces load on the engine. And the streamlined design of the proven asymmetric turbocharger enhances performance. The DD15 engine has also achieved GHG14 compliance and certification. So if you demand better fuel economy, demand Detroit.